And in fact, news just coming in, the Congress leader PL Punia has now confirmed that the party will be fighting the Uttar Pradesh elections alone and will not form any alliance. This, of course, comes a few days after Priyanka Gandhi had said the same. Let's go across on the phone line to Piyush, who's reporting on this. Piyush, this, of course, is just a reaffirmation of what Priyanka Gandhi had also said, that the Congress will go it alone in about 403 seats in Uttar Pradesh in 2022.
Well, Nupur, you would remember that Akhilesh Yadav is trying his best to get all the regional parties together in Uttar Pradesh ahead of the elections here in the state. But now Congress party has made it very, very clear that it will not go in any kind of alliance with Samajwadi Party. PL Punia, top leader of the Congress party, has said, and I quote, Samajwadi Party thinks their power is not enough, so that are compromising. Congress party has decided not to do alliance with anyone, which means that it has been made amply clear by the Congress party that they will not go in alliance with any political party. They are going to fight alone, which means that this time it will be a big test for Priyanka Gandhi, because she is the one who is leading the entire campaign for the Congress party in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and Congress party makes it very, very clear that it will not do alliance with any political party, and it is going to fight alone in upcoming polls. Now we'll have to wait and watch as to how other parties are going to react, because we have seen as to how a Sayukt Manch is being created by Samajwadi Party, where Akhilesh Yadav is trying his best to get all parties together ahead of elections in Uttar Pradesh to defeat BJP.
All right, stay with us, Piyush. Let's listen into what PL Punia actually said.
देखिए, चुनाव है फरवरी मार्च 2022 में, और हर पार्टी अपने अपने कोशिश में लगे हैं। समाजवादी पार्टी को ये लग रहा है कि उनकी ताकत पर्याप्त नहीं है, इसलिए वो ढूंढ रहे हैं एक एक दो दो करके उनको अपने साथ में समझौता करने के लिए। तो अपनी अपनी रणनीति है, लेकिन जहाँ तक कांग्रेस पार्टी का सवाल है, कांग्रेस पार्टी ने निर्णय लिया है कि किसी भी बड़े दल से या समझौता करने का प्रश्न नहीं है, और अकेले चुनाव मैदान में उतरने का निर्णय।
Well, Mr. Rashid Alvi from the Congress now joining us on the phone line. Mr. Alvi, good morning. Thank you for speaking to us on Republic. Mr. Alvi, we have been hearing, talk of the fact that Samajwadi Party is extremely keen on an alliance, but this latest statement from your party leader seems to put a lid on that as far as the Congress is concerned. You've decided to go it alone in Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah, you are very, very right. Congress party had decided just in the beginning that we are going to contest on our own. And very recently, Priyanka Gandhi has announced in Lucknow that Congress party will not have any alliance with any political party. And we are strong enough to face Bharatiya Janata Party, and definitely we are going to kick out this BJP government from the power.
Now, Mr. Alvi, what's behind that thought process? Because there has been talk of how various political parties are looking to perhaps come together. But what's the thought process as far as Congress is concerned about going it alone?
No, definitely it is very clear that we feel that we are strong enough to fight this election. And this is the election between Congress party and Bharatiya Janata Party. Everybody knows that Yogi Adityanath is an incompetent chief minister and failure in the last 4 or 5 years. So definitely everybody knows that Congress party is a very people-friendly party, and we know how to help our people of Uttar Pradesh. That is the reason that Congress party has decided to contest on its own.
All right, Mr. Alvi, appreciate your speaking to us on Republic TV. Thank you for joining us. I think Piyush is still with us All right, we don't have Piyush on the phone line, but this is a reaffirmation today that's coming in from PL Punia. Mr. Alvi also over there speaking about the fact that the decision has been taken by the Congress to go it alone in these elections. Even though we have been hearing voices from the Samajwadi Party as well as other smaller parties that perhaps a bigger alliance might work better in Uttar Pradesh, because do remember that the BJP is on a very strong wicket over there. It's going to be difficult for all political parties to, in a sense, dislodge them. I think Piyush is back with me on the phone line. Piyush, we were talking to Mr. Alvi over there, and he seemed to suggest that the Congress party is extremely confident of going it alone. But, perhaps the ground reality is a bit different, because the BJP does seem to have a strong hold as of now.
Well, yes, Nupur, BJP is fighting very hard there and giving a tough competition to other political parties, the Samajwadi Party or the Congress Party, and it has also got an edge because in the last few elections we have seen as to how BJP has performed not only in by-elections but also the panchayat level elections those have taken place in Uttar Pradesh. The surveys are also telling us to how BJP will be performing very good, but that depends absolutely on people as to how they are going to vote. But Congress party is now sounding very much confident, which means that they have...
Piyush, I'm going to have to interrupt you there. I'm sorry for that. Also joining me on the phone line is Anila Singh from the BJP. Anila Singh, good morning. Thank you for speaking to us. What do you make of the decision of the Congress party to go it alone in Uttar Pradesh? We were speaking to Mr. Alvi a short while ago, and we've also had PL Punia's reaction come in, where they say they're extremely confident of going it alone. And obviously, the Mahagathbandhan that was there in 2017 didn't yield very much.
My Ram Ram to everyone. They do not have any choice. Even if Congress party wants to go ahead with some sort of alliance with Samajwadi Party or the BSP, they are not ready to ally with the Congress party because they are Indian National Confused Party. So this is the state of confusion, I can say so, when Mr. Punia or Mr. Alvi comes forward and they say, हम अकेले ही चुनाव लड़ेंगे और हराएंगे और सरकार बनाएंगे. So everybody knows, including Congress party's organization and workers, that they do not have any sort of organization on the grounds. So simply getting some sort of media spotlight or media eyes doesn't mean that it is going to get converted in votes. Ms. Vadra has to really work very hard in Uttar Pradesh at least to make some grounds, political grounds for Congress. Because we know it very well. Even her brother, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, he was denied success in Amethi. So he had to run away. And he never came back in UP. So how people of Uttar Pradesh can have some sort of faith in Congress party? Because once they get defeated, they are eloped. And recently we have seen that how Congress party leaders, they are joining Bharatiya Janata Party. So no trust, no faith of workers and people of UP in Congress party's leadership.
All right, Anila Singh, appreciate your speaking to us. Thank you for joining us on Republic TV.